Hey, welcome back to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight we're going to take a look at some of the benefits of using the View tab up here. So when you start on the home screen, you can just go over a few and select View. And the first one is Guidelines. Automatically when you start with Excel, it'll be checked, and it just creates these little borders around the cells here. So by unchecking them here, you can see it removes it, it creates a nice white screen, and then you can build your own borders as you see fit. That's kind of a user preference. I prefer it, but completely up to you. Easy to change it just by selecting that option. Second one I wanted to show you is by freezing the pane. So let's say we're scrolling down, we're going to lose this header here, we're not going to be able to see it. And that can be a bit annoying if you had a lot of data out to the right. Also, we could potentially, as we scroll to the right, lose columns of data as well. So what you can do is select the cell where ideally you'd like to see a frozen pane, and then go ahead and select freeze panes, go down, select the first option there. So as we scroll down, you can see now the header's there, and if we actually scrolled over to the right, it's still going to keep the student details here, which is what we selected. And then it's very easy to change it. You can unfreeze it, move it around, however you see fit. Third option I wanted to show you is selecting a new window here. Go ahead and do that, and you can do it multiple times. You can have more than 2 windows as you see fit. We're just going to do it with 2. Then select Arrange All. You can choose your options here. Vertical's fine. By selecting that, you now see there's 2 windows. First one is the original, and it's got a 1 next to it. Here's your second one with a 2, and as you add more windows, it would just go up. The beauty of this is you can have, let's say, part of the sheet covered on one, another part on the other, or you can actually go through different tabs. And as you're editing, you can do it live, and it'll update the file simultaneously. It can be really handy when you want to work between tabs, or even just different areas on the sheet. And then when you're done, you can just close it. Close out the newest one first. When you get back to the original, you'll see the number goes away, and then go ahead and hit Maximize. And those are just some really helpful options in using the View functionality here. Thanks for watching.